Did somebody say mechanical keyboard? Oh, you have a mechanical keyboard. Dude, what is this, Razer?
Yeah.
Dude, how do you still have a Razer keyboard? Like, it's 2022. Why don't you make like a custom one or something?
I don't know.
Yeah, man, like Razer, Corsair, that's like outdated, man. That's in the past. Bro, how do you not have a 0.1 millisecond response time?
If I'm gonna build a custom keyboard, what are some good switches?
Some good switches? Probably the Gatoron ones.
Gatorade?
No, not Gatoron.
Oh, I thought you said Gatorade.
Oh
I was like, what the heck?
Like, which ones do you think are the best? Some good Gatoron switches would probably be the blue ones, the red ones.
Yeah.
You also have the brown ones.
Wait, they have brown Gatorade flavor?
No, I'm not talking about Gatorade flavors. I'm talking about switches for the keyboard.
Oh.
Do you guys have the 80% keyboard in stock with the cherry switches? No, sorry. Ah, do you have the 75% one? No. 70% one? No. 65%? Nope. 60%. Sold out. 55%. Nuh-uh. 50%. Gone. 45%. Out of stock. 40%. Yeah, we have that one in stock. Man, I don't even want that one. How to make a keyboard sound thocky. This is how you make your keyboard thock. Oh yeah, this one's good. Man, it doesn't even come with a custom spacebar. That switch is okay, I guess. What? Dude, I bought a new keyboard. Oh really? Which one? It's like a Razer membrane one. Dude, membrane? Yeah. Man, f membrane. When am I getting paid? I need to buy these banana split switches. Dude, you didn't let me finish. What? My new keyboard has RGB. Oh, it has RGB? Yeah. Oh, alright, that's pretty cool then. Yeah, that's cool. RGB keyboard. Hey, can I buy a keyboard? Wait, didn't you buy one like a month ago? Yeah, it's for school. This is like essay I have to write. Wait, we already spent like $200 on a keyboard last month. Why do you need another one? Did it like break or something? I don't understand.